Hey guys, it's Sarah from Taste of Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious loaf of ice cream bread using only 3 ingredients. Let's get started. So you're going to need 1 cup of your favorite ice cream. We went with butter pecan. You want it to be slightly softened but not melted. 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. Now you want to make sure that you don't swap this out for AP flour. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. You're just going to want to mix these together till they're combined. Okay, that looks nice and combined. You're going to want to go ahead and transfer this to a greased 5 3/4 by 3 by 2 inch pan. Just scrape the edges to get any remaining flour. It should be a bit of a thick dough. The batter should fit nicely in your small loaf pan. Then you're going to pop this into an oven at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes until a toothpick in the center comes out clean. Alright, our bread is done and it's been cooling for about 10 minutes in the pan. I'm just going to go ahead and take an offset spatula around the edges to make sure that it releases easily. Okay, there we go. Just let it sit on the wire rack until it's completely cool. And that's it. With only 3 ingredients and a few simple steps, you can make a super moist dessert bread that is perfect for any time of day.